Hi, my name is Sid Marshall with Sushi Siddo Catering. Today we're at the kitchen for convivial catering, and this is how to make cheese enchiladas. What we're going to do is take the corn tortilla, lay it on our cast iron, and get a little bit of oil on it, and heat it up to help make it a little more pliable for rolling. Get a second one here. And once they are ready, we'll take them and transfer them onto our cutting board. And we are just going to use a simple Monterey Jack inside of both of these. What we're going to do is we fill them and then just slowly roll them up. Now you can also put in something like a little salsa or some fresh cilantro and a few onions. We'll roll them up. And then we're going to use a little bit of, this is a commercial brand red chili sauce. Just going to put a little layer of it down in the bottom of the pan so that our enchiladas don't stick. Then we will set our enchiladas inside and cover them with a little bit more sauce. You want to make sure to completely cover your corn tortilla so that it doesn't dry out during the baking process. Once you get your enchiladas completely covered with sauce, then we're going to come back and use a little cheddar on top, and they're ready for the oven. We're going to put them in at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese melts and looks nice and golden on top. And that is how you make chili cheese enchiladas.